Hi viewers. Here I have a Seawater electrolyte with magnesium rod that's been cleaned with, scoured with stainless steel pad, cleansed with some distilled water and soap, and then rinsed with acetone and dried by hand with paper towel. And in this variation, I have a nickel rod serving as current collector. I have a plastic separator in there. I also have a yellow device around the magnesium, but as an afterthought, I said, what the heck, I'll just put a strip of this plastic I pick up at the local thrift shop. Plastic tube comes from Walmart. They sell them in the personal care pharmacy section. They're very handy. I sawed the top off to increase the width. And it's in Seawater, as I mentioned. Now, next to it, I have a German-made. This is interesting. I have a German-made. I have 4 or 5 of these. I purchased them a number of years ago. And it's a fuel cell. And it comes with a small solar panel. So you can photolyze and water. And collect the hydrogen and oxygen and then recombine them in the fuel cell to generate electricity. Now, I didn't hook this up to the cell, but I'm going to. I'll use air compressor as my source of oxygen, and then the hydrogen that's being produced due to the corrosion of the magnesium in water, that hydrogen can be directed into the fuel cell to increase the efficiency of the cell. And you can envision having a fuel cell adjacent to essentially the primary cell, the primary battery, if you will. Oxone is also in there. Many people, they call it ozone. It's not ozone, it's oxone, potassium peroxymonosulfate, produced in large quantity by DuPont. And let's take a look right now what's going on. Started off at about 1.75 volts. And upon drawing current, I'm drawing 100 milliamps, a modest 100 milliamps. I left it cut off at 0.20 volts. I'll run out of the Oxone well before then, and then it'll just be corroding in the salt water, synthetic seawater I'm using. So we'll let that run, and that's the open circuit. But then it drops down to a working, let's see, the average right now is 1.14 volts. Yeah, there we are. It's channeling along nicely, and I'll just see how this performs. What I like about this very much is the possibility of having a fuel cell, as I said, collecting the hydrogen gas instead of just allowing it to dissipate into the air. And I'll keep you posted on my observations on this cell. Thanks for watching. Bye.